Are you working with precast concrete? Before your next pour, don't miss these critical mistakes that can cost you time, money, and your project's reputation. Poor lifting and handling. Precast panels are heavy and delicate. Wrong lifting points, damaged slings, or untrained workers can crack or break the element even before installation. How to avoid? Always use certified lifting anchors, approved rigging gear, and trained operators. Inaccurate shop drawings. If your shop drawings are off by even a few millimeters, it causes misalignment, delays, and clashes on site. How to avoid? Double check all dimensions and use BIM to identify issues before casting. Weak joint detailing. Improper joint detailing leads to water seepage, cracks, and structural weakness. How to avoid? Follow design specifications strictly and use quality joint sealants during installation. Ignoring curing time, demolding or transporting too early can cause internal cracks and long-term failure. How to avoid? Always follow curing standards, typically 24 to 48 hours with proper steam curing or water. No site coordination. Precast needs clear access routes, crane position, and prepared foundations, or it turns into chaos. How to avoid? Plan your site layout, sequence the lifts, and brief your team daily. Let's recap the top 5 mistakes. Keycap 1 Poor lifting. Keycap 2 Bad drawings. Keycap 3 Weak joints. Keycap 4 Early demolding. Keycap 5 Poor site coordination. Now you know what to avoid to keep your precast project on time, on budget, and on point. Like this video, subscribe for more, and comment, have you seen any of these mistakes on your site? Bonus for you. Need a checklist of these mistakes? Comment below PRECAST SAFE and I'll share the full PDF.